Hello. Better late than never. That is what they say, right? Wait a second, I need to shut down. I need to shut down this other thing. Power sleep, yes please. Okay. Okay. I'm switching gears. Switching gears, boys. I'm nearly ready. Nearly ready. Nearly ready. Here I am. Here I am. Hello. Let me lower the music. Lower the music, change the music. So the good news is that I started the stream anyway. Even if it's quite late. Hello Tony. Tony Jark. Hi. The good news is that I started the stream anyway. The bad news is that I didn't have dinner. And so I guess I need to figure out quickly what to do for dinner as well. I don't want to eat like at 1 a.m., right? My time is 11 p.m. But I have some stuff that I can cook relatively quick, and it's basically pre-made, you know? So I think I can do that. I can do that. What? Yes. So I'm just answering some messages. Someone is asking if the game will work with Windows 7 as well. Yes, I think that with Windows 7 it may work, but because you can install latest DirectX. But I don't know why you should go. I'm watching your stream sometimes, very ready to chat with you. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah, I do the same sometimes. You know, when I watch streams, I mean, it's not always that I have something to say, and so I just watch, and maybe I'm watching while I'm doing other stuff. So it's fine. It's fine, but low anyway. Are you using Unreal Engine for anything? Or... So yesterday, let me just cook some of this. I mean, just give me 1 second. I'm cooking something. I mean, I'm doing something for my dinner. Okay. I don't think I have a quick way. Well, I have 2 ways, but probably. But there is this problem. We have a bit of an issue. We can. Yeah, we have a bit of a problem here. Wait, we have a bit of a problem we need to solve before cooking. Yes, we have. We have a bit of a problem to solve. I know you can hear me. Because, well, it's long to explain why, but we have something to fix. Otherwise, we cannot cook. At least we should fix it a bit. At least we should fix it a bit. Okay? I think it's probably enough. At least it's not super shitty. No, I'm not making a mess. I'm not. Okay. I think we fixed the problem. I think we fixed it. Now, we need to do something else, which is this. Which is this and this. It's more complex than what I was thinking. It's more complex, but I'm fixing it. fixing it. Okay. Done. Done. I had to do few things and to start cooking something. Yeah, sometimes it motivates me to work someone. Yeah, exactly. You watch someone that is working and gives you motivation. Hello, Hula. Good evening to you. I tried to do some animation with Unreal Engine, but I'm very most of my time spent. Okay, you're searching for a job. Nice. Okay, so what we were doing this, right? We were doing this thing, and we were trying to have it. We were trying to have this thing actually working, right? Yes, this is what we were doing. So the first problem is that I need to move the faction ranks to the right, and then I need this list. I need this list. So this list in theory I think we need let me think about it, huh? Let me think about it. So this will be only the list, right? This will be the list. But then we need another of these ones. So because there is just a faction ranks, I think is a good name. But then there will be rank panel. But rank panel, I think rank panel should not be. Wait, rank panel. Rank panel, huh? Rank panel. Yeah, probably rank panel can go here. Probably yes. Okay, so we need a few things because this window is changing a lot compared to before, right? Changing a lot. We need this list, which is basically this list to be clickable, right? So we need to be able to click and see the things on the right, right? So the first thing I need to do is to create this list, and this list should be done with what? With clickable thingies. Can you click a text? I don't think you can click a text. Probably you have on mouse down. You have on mouse down, but it's not exposed. What do we do when we need to click on something? There is not a button. Do we just add a button and fuck it? Probably we should, huh? The problem is that they need to be no, I think a button is okay. No, I'm thinking if I need to have a checkbox instead of a button, but because usually what I do, I add the button and then I'm always changing it back. Faction rank. So what I need to create a new widget. Well, actually two, but let's start with one. I need to create a new widget, which is a faction. Yeah, which is this faction rank, but faction rank position. What is this? Ah, yes, this one I understand. Faction rank negative. Yes, this one I understand. Faction rank is this. Okay. So I think we need a we need a faction rank name or something like that. Similar to faction name. Yes, exactly. Similar to this. What do we have? This thing, and the image faction click on my button down. Yeah, I can also do it like this. I think it's also a good idea to do it like this. So let's say faction rank name. Faction rank name. Okay, I cannot rename it. GG. I cannot rename it because it's a bit stupid. What? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What did I do? Why we have two of them? I think that is the editor getting funny. Okay. Now we don't have two anymore. Yes. Okay. I don't think I need an image, so we can delete this image. We can keep the text. The text should be the text should be filling the window. I think it should be much smaller, by the way. Yes, and this one should be called faction. Should be called rank name. And now the mess will start. Let me see. Pre-construct, construct, tick, setup faction. Okay, so this will be setup rank. And what do we need? We need an ID. Yeah, we need a rank ID or something. A rank ID and a rank name. And we set this to be rank ID. Don't crash, please. Okay. Image rank. Click. Rank name. Okay. Okay. So when we set up rank, right? We do this. No, we don't do this. We don't do any of this. We just set up the ID and the ID and the name. Now on mouse button down, I think we should rename this dispatcher to rank dispatcher. And this should become rank name. Yes, it's calling this. Yes, it's calling that. Okay. Okay, so that's good. The other thing we need to do... I'm trying to go quick because I'm late, you know? And when you are late, you need to work faster, I guess. Like we said yesterday. Okay, so we do this. We Now, when we receive the factions, which I assume is somewhere here. Yes, exactly. I think probably the easiest is to do, let me see, create faction rank. Are we creating all the rank all the time, even if we don't click on them? Oh my god. Yeah, it seems we do. It seems that we are creating all the windows for all the ranks all the time. And I don't understand if we do it by... I don't understand if we do it... at the beginning. Display faction ranks and play score based on which faction has been clicking on the left side. Yes, that I understand. Okay, so every time you're switching faction, we are recreating the... We are recreating the widget, huh? I don't know if that's a great idea, but anyway, it's what we do now. It's what we do now. Okay, I will take care of that, but that is not really the best way. But okay, I would say that the first thing we need to do player score. Yeah, because we have the score of the player, right? We have the score of the player. I don't understand this. Right? I don't understand why, based on the score, we go up or down. Because we need to display them all anyway, no? I think we need to display all the faction ranks anyway. So it should be a... for each loop. So it should be a sequence, no? I don't understand. Why we are... Why we are... Probably if you are positive... I think we're not displaying them all. I think we are not displaying them all now. We are displaying only the ones that you... but that's a problem, though. That's a problem. Do we want to show all the ranks? Or we want to show only the ranks that are close to the one that you have? Because at the moment, we are actually showing only get faction by faction ID. Get faction by faction ID. I don't understand because I don't remember. Get faction by faction ID. But I'm pretty sure that this faction is including all of them, no? Don't understand. Adding positive faction rank. Let me search this thing 1 second. Adding positive faction ranks, because I don't understand what is going on. I don't understand. Clicked Order of the Keen Edge. Okay, score 60. Adding positive faction rank, added positive faction rank, added positive faction rank. And the problem is that it doesn't tell me which one, but you see that it's adding 1, 2, 3, and 4. And here is adding 1, 2, 3, and 4 because I'm clicking the same thing. It's always the Cabal of Whisper. For example, in this case, we are adding only 3. Yeah, I think we are adding only the one that you know. I think that's the thing. But if we add only the one that you know, what do? We put like an unknown at the top? I think it's a bit stupid too. No, because basically what we are saying is that if you are at the disciple level, you only see the next one that you are working towards, right? You don't see these ones at the top, so you will see it like that. And also, if you are positive, you see only the positive. If you are negative, you see only the negative. I don't know if it makes sense. What do you think about it? What do you think about it? Meanwhile, I'm checking my dinner. Is it ready already? Wow, really? I mean, it looks ready. I think it looks ready. I mean, it does. It's already 15 minutes. It's already 15 minutes. Chicken and potatoes. I think I would make a mess if I came there. But I think I will. Because I already arrived late. Sorry, I was saying that I'm gonna eat here because I already arrived late, and plus if I go away for another 15 minutes, you know, it's not very nice. I mean, I could do it, it's no problem, but so I'm eating some chicken. Some chicken and potatoes. Implement show all. Yeah, because I think we are sending this information. I think we are sending. I don't understand too much how this works. Get faction standing by faction ID. Faction standing, array of faction standing. Who is populating this? I don't remember. Receive faction standings from server. I mean, obviously it's from server, but the point is request faction standing. I think we updated one time at the beginning. Maybe I put a comment. Yeah. Send data. Okay, so the first point is that we are sending data only if you have a standing in that faction. So basically the factions that you don't know will be unknown to you. I don't know if I agree to that, but considering we have some factions like Couple of Whispers, I guess it makes sense. Maybe what about having a default, I mean a base set of factions that you know anyway? Like just because you live in the world or whatever. Well, actually you just arrived, so in theory you don't know anything. But no, because it's a bit of a pity, you know, that at the beginning I do all this work on factions and then you don't see anything. I mean that screen is completely empty. That screen will be completely empty for you at the beginning. Huh. That's a big question, huh? There is a big question. There is a very big question, guys. Very big question. I think my question is when you go to Arnquest, right? And he's speaking to you about the introduction to his faction. Is he giving you any points on that? Let me see. There is an introduction. I'm on the other screen for a second. Introduction. Introduction to, I mean, any of the introduction to the food association, for example, right? Introduction for the food association. I'm looking at the quest. Yes, it's giving faction points. Okay, so okay. But the problem is that in that screen you will see nothing. At the beginning, you will see nothing in that screen. So I think I need a kind of a placeholder, you know? Like, if the result is really 0, I think we need to have something anyway. We need a placeholder. Or we have at least one faction, but I don't know which one to choose, because they are all somehow special, you know? So I mean, I cannot choose any of these ones. They are all special in its own way. Yeah, so I think we need a placeholder. I think we need this panel to be completely hidden and substituted by another panel. And yeah, I think it's the only way, actually. So we need a canvas panel which is actually a variable, and we can call it placeholder no factions. That I think it should explain a bit, you know, should explain a bit of what the screen is. Should explain, like, this screens represents, you know, the organizations, associations in the game. The best way to know them is to explore the world and speak with NPC. Yeah. I think we have to do it this way, otherwise would be weird, because it will be completely empty. And I don't think that we want a completely empty. I don't think we want a completely empty thing. Right? I don't know if I want to have the same layout or not, but probably not. I mean, do we want to show something of the other screen, or probably not? I mean, will really be an empty thing like that. And it will be something like what can we say? This panel. Hey Tony, thank you. I'm having dinner, yes. I'm having dinner because I arrived super late. We can say like we say something like this screen, or here you will find the organizations and associations part of here you will find the organizations and associations I would like to say part of the society, you know, they are making, they are, you know, they're the foundation, of the society. Society something. I want to put society, I don't know exactly how. Why? Here you will find the organizations and associations, associations that make the society that can you create a phrase? Between the compendium and everything else, yeah. But the screen is there. I mean, I cannot really delete the screen, right? I can have an empty screen, but at least I need to tell him what is it. You will find organization and associations. You can become an affiliate or you will find organization association you can become an affiliate to. At the moment you don't know any. Explore the world and speak with the people and speak with the inhabitants. I don't know, something like that. I think we can say here you will find organization association you can become an affiliate to, or I don't know if it is become an affiliate to is really nice. Here you can find organization associations. Okay, can you think to a phrase? And the achievements, yes, the achievements. The achievement is nice. Love achievements. Right now, you are unknown to the people of Iliacum. As this blind, only can decide. Yeah, that's also a way. We can say right now you are unknown to the people, or you have no, or say right now you don't have any, you don't have any standings. But it also, the fact is also that you don't even know them, you know. You don't know any organizations or associations part of the society. I don't know if I want to say Iliacum society, because Iliacum will be like a weird name to them. If he's a new player, say, what the hell is that? What the hell is Iliacum? But I guess you can figure out. Maybe. So we can say right now you don't know, or right now you don't belong. You don't belong, or you don't know is a bit harsh, you know. You don't know. You didn't discover yet. I think I prefer to say you didn't discover yet. You didn't discover yet any organizational association part, because I like the discovery piece, like the guy is looking at that saying, there is something to discover, right? So he understands that he has to unlock it. You didn't discover yet any organization, association, part of the Yakun society. And then we can say exploring the world, you know, exploring the world. You may find some interesting. You may find some interesting what? Exploring the world. You may find some exploring the world and speaking to its inhabitants. I don't know if inhabitants is really translating good in your language. I mean in English. You didn't discover yet any organization, association, part of the Yakum society. Exploring and speaking to its inhabitants. Exploring and speaking to its inhabitants. Exploring the world. I messed up. Exploring the world and speaking to its inhabitants. You may find some. Perhaps adding about faction to the NPC. They are all quests already. If you speak to an NPC, it will tell you, do you want to learn about this and that? So all the basic faction, association, introduction are already part of quest. So you will find them very easy. As soon as you speak with an NPC in the main city, you will find like the first 4 or 5. 4 or 5 factions. Easy. Easy. So I think that the point is that if you don't have any, because we said that we are sending only the data if the player is standing in some faction, right? So if we don't have standing, we don't send anything. We send an empty array. So everything will be empty. Okay, I think I agree to that. I think I agree to what I did. So I think we need a big if here. If I think we need a big if. Where is the receive? Where is the receive faction? Oh no, it's all in the same thing. We are receiving faction and faction standing. Okay. Okay, sorry, I got confused. So I think we can say if faction's length is greater than 1, greater than 0, then fine. If not, we will hide the panel, right? I don't know why I did all of this here and not inside the window, but it's kind of shitty design. Spaghetti code. I mean, it would be better to put all of this inside the window, but I mean inside the widget. We are already inside the skill window. This is the skill window, but Probably would be better to put inside the faction widget, but fine. So we can say if this is greater than 0, then enable, we need to enable what? Win skill faction 1. Why is it called win skill faction 1? I don't know, but anyway. So we need to get no, wait, let me, I need to name these things. I have too much stuff open. I need to close this mess. I need to close this mess. Okay, better, improving quickly. Improving very quickly. Where is the faction skills window? Here. Okay, so in this window I need placeholder not factions, and this one we will call it horizontal box faction window, something like that, and this becomes a variable. Okay, so we can now set the visibility. We can now set the visibility. So we take this and we get faction, wait, get faction box blah blah blah, and then we get faction placeholder, no, exactly this one, right? And we just set the visibility. I think we set the visibility of the wall panel. So if it's true, if it's true, we set this one. So if it's greater than 0, we set this one to visible and this one to invisible. Okay, to collapse, let's say. And if it's false, the opposite, right? What is this mess? Look at the lines. Okay. Better. Okay. If it's false, we do the opposite. We do this one collapsed and this one visible. Okay, so this is just to switch the two thingies. Para-pa-pam. Okay, and then we go, well, and then, I mean, if we can still go here in both cases, but obviously this one will do nothing. Will really do nothing. So, but I think we can still go here in both cases. I think it's cleaner, so at least we clean the panel. Okay, so we have this choice, which I think is a good choice. I like it. Then we can tweak the phrase a bit. So you want to improve the phrase. Hey Marcelo, are you leaving? Bye bye. So okay, so let's say that we have this, and then we have this one in case we have factions, right? In case you have factions, you have this one. Okay, now we get in with only the factions that we know, and that's fine. But we also get in with only the ranks that we know, and I don't know if that's really what I want. Because the ranks, I mean, what is the point of hiding the ranks? Filter, create a faction and filter the known ranks, you say? So we are really filtering only the known ranks. We are really filtering the known ranks only. Wow. Wow. Okay. I mean, I can leave it like that, but can at least we have the negatives or no? No, we don't. We are filtering also the negatives. Somehow, I don't understand exactly how, but if standing score is less than entry value, negative event, add standing faction, negative faction event. No idea. We are sorting them. And we are adding them only if my standing is less than the entry value. So if I'm in the red, I will see the red. If I'm not in the red, I will not see the red. If I'm in the positive, I will see the positive. If my score is great, yeah, I will only see basically the range where I am. I will only see the range where I am. Okay, I mean, fine. I mean, let's leave it like that for now, and we will see if we want to change it. So we will have only, and we can say like unknown, I don't know. We can put unknown, 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 and then the names, or just leave it with a question mark, maybe. Right? Maybe leave it with a question mark. So basically we are getting in this function, we are entering here, and entering here, and entering here, and entering here, and entering here, with only the ranks that we know. Receive faction, create widget. Okay, the faction widget I think is fine. And the setup is fine. And then we do so basically it is create all faction widgets, and this is create all standing widgets. I don't know, probably yes. Faction ID, if it's valid. I don't understand what I'm doing here. What I'm doing here? Currently selected faction. Currently selected faction. Currently selected faction. I go and I simulate a click. Okay. I go and simulate a click. By the way, this one is the same. I don't know why we use two links, but it's the same thing. It's the same guy. So we basically simulate a click on the currently selected faction, and then I guess that faction clicked is the one that is really because here I have the score, right? Yes. Get faction standing by faction ID. This part is not very clear to me. I'm a bit confused by this. Because I'm getting back my faction ID. Just to know the faction that I clicked. Yes, because it is on the faction that I clicked. I need to know where I am in the thingy. And then I'm doing display faction ranks. And here I'm doing get faction by faction ID because I want to pass in the faction and my score. Ah, okay. So I'm just passing in the faction clicked and my score. So it is basically pass in the faction clicked and my score on it. And my standing on this faction. Okay, so this is what this thing is doing. So when you click on one, then yes, we should, when you click on one, we should first of all populate the names only. And then when we, I don't know if I want to create a widget all the time. This is the part that is confusing me a bit, because I don't think I want to create a widget every time. You know, that we I think we need another function like this, which is instead of, let me copy this one second, and this should be this should be display faction rank name. So the one that is displaying basically only this piece, okay, only this part, because we want to display only this part first. So display faction rank names. I think yes, you should take the positive and the negative. Yes, it should go by positive and negative. I don't know in which order they are placed. I have no idea. But it should create a function. Should create a rank name widget instead. You should create a rank widget name and then do the setup. Yes, and the setup will be setup rank. Yes, will be setup rank, and setup rank only needs the, well, it doesn't need much. It only needs the name and maybe an ID, because I don't even know if I need an ID. I think I only need the name actually. I think I only need the name. Maybe in the future I will need also the description, but I don't think so. I think I only need to pass the name. And then we need to add to our... yeah, now here the problem is that... we need fixed positions. No, the problem is that we need fixed positions, no? We need fixed positions. So how do we do that? Basically, they have to be positioned exactly to the right or to the left of this thing. I think we need to put it in the widget. I think this thing actually does not exist. I think it's part of this widget. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. I think as part of this, overlay, fill, frame, scale box. I don't know really. Can I add, because I mean, what happens if I add a... I cannot do it, huh? Because we are inside an overlay. Fuck overlays. Fuck overlays. Okay, we will create a gradient. We will create a faction gradient with names. Okay, so we're going to create a new widget, which is called faction gradient with names. Okay, that includes faction gradient as the first thing, and then should we do it with a horizontal box? I have no idea. Probably not. And then we'll just include text. Then we can put it here next. I mean, so we can position it, you know, exactly where we want it. Now, I don't know how long this will be, but I don't know how big the text will be. So we have to test that a bit, but this will be like Sword Master, right? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8. Wow, I arrived exactly at 8. Randomly. Swordsmaster and Swordslave. I mean, it's an example, huh? It's just an example. Para. I think it's easier if you do it this way, because anyway we'll always have 8 levels on the positive and 3 on the negative, so again, this will be populated, you know, this will be populated by the code based on the title. I think on the ones that we don't know, I think we can just put a like a question mark, right? So it will look like this, like you don't know what those levels really are. Maybe. So I need to name them properly. So rank 8, rank 7. I need to make them variables, because we will have to explicitly call them. and fill them out. The only thing that I don't know is rank 1. Okay. Can we have a rank -1? Can you call it variable with minus? Oh my god. Okay, we can. It seems we can call a variable with a minus in blueprints. Which is pretty good. That's what we need. Okay, and this one will be this one will be we said red, eh? Even if red is so freaking unreadable. I don't know. It looks a bit unreadable to me, but maybe with a black background is better. Maybe with black background is better. Maybe with gray is not that much, but okay. So this will be the thing. Fine. So I think actually they should all start with a question mark, and we will then set the ones that we need. So this widget will be replaced with no. This widget is GG. I'm gonna delete it. And we're gonna add a new one, which is faction gradient with names. Right? No. Yes, there. And the sides. The sides GG. The sides. Why so big? Why? I can change it as I want, yeah, but the problem is, and I don't know what I want. Yeah, probably I want something like this. Probably I want something like that. I have no idea how this will render at different sizes, you know. What the fuck? I made it super small and now it's super big again. Why? Why it became bigger here again? Because it cannot compile or what? Probably because it cannot compile. I don't know, in theory. Come on. You can do it. Why it became big again? Why it became big again? I don't understand. We reduced it, right? We reduced it here. And it seems that the reduction didn't do any good. Is it based on the width, maybe? I don't get it. I cannot make it smaller here. It's looking different. What? I don't know. Now the same thing is working. Now the same thing is working. Okay, well, fine. I think it like pre-compiled something. So we need to make this thing super small compared to what they are now. Otherwise they will just not fit. They will take the whole screen, you know. So we need to change the font size probably to something like 16 or so. And we need to make all of them way smaller. Why I cannot set the sides? I cannot. Cannot set the sides to all of them. I don't know why. Yeah, as soon as you select more than one, is not allowing you to change the sides anymore. I don't know why. There are still a bit of a weird thing sometimes. I cannot say a lot tonight, but it was just, you know, to make a bit of progress together on this. I cannot really stay like forever because I have stuff to do tomorrow. Bye. The important is making some progress, okay? Even if it's not a huge progress is anyway success. Yeah, and the song finished exactly when I said that. Very nice. Good timing song. Oh yeah, I think we're gonna have something like this, and let me see if now you see that it's not refreshing it. It's like if it's not refreshing the control until you reload it. It's strange. It's strange, eh? Until you put it back, it's not refreshing it. I have to remove it and put it in, and then it looks okay. Okay, so we want to populate all this shit. So how do we populate it? Because the ranks that we are receiving, right? The ranks that we are receiving don't have a number, I guess, or they do. No, I think they... Because if they have a number, we can go by number. If they don't have a number, I think we are a bit in trouble. Rank number. Okay, we have a rank number. Very nice. We have a rank number. So when we do setup rank, right? When we do setup rank, we need the rank number. Definitely. We need a rank number. And then there is the rank number. This is the rank number. And then what is that? That is the score. No, we don't need the score at the moment. I think the one we don't need. And then we need to set up the rank. Wait, to set up the rank. No. All this thing is GG. No. Because we said we do it differently. We say we do it like this. Ah, fuck, I should have used this one. My bad. I should have used that instead of the... Because this one is ready, you know, is ready to be clicked. Yes. I need to use this guy. I need to use WD rank faction name. Fuck. My bad, boys. My bad. I need to redo this with, I forgot, with faction rank name. So this one should be all faction rank names. Yes. Exactly. And this one should go instead of these things. Ah. So we said 16. What is the font? Okay, I cannot see. GG. I cannot see because it's inside. Yeah. Okay. Fine. So this will be a variable. So this will be WD rank 8 and so on, right? WD rank 7, WD rank 6, WD rank 5. Yeah, because this widget is already set up to do everything we need. This one is already set up for us, so it's better to use this one, definitely. This is -1. What the fuck? What is this? This is 1. Okay. What is this? This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. 6. 7. Yeah, it's a widget inside a widget inside a widget inside a widget. So actually there is a bit of a, but it's not a problem, man. Unreal can work with that very well usually. Apart from the refresh that we just saw that was not really working, but fine. So now we have all these widgets, right? So we need to be sure that these widgets are actually set up as -1. So with a color that is red. Yes, we said that this one we want it red. But it's doing a border around it. No, It's doing a border? No, I don't think it will do a border. I think the border is just fake. It's just a fake border. I don't think it will do that. Okay. So now the point is when we are...
Never underestimate the power of stupid things in large numbers.
Exactly. It's what I say every day. When I'm looking at a dish of pasta, they usually have a lot of things in it. I'm saying that all the time. So now we need to set up. The point is that we cannot work like we were working before, because before we were doing something different. We were setting up, you know, rank by rank, and I don't know if that's really a good idea. I think we need to find the rank that is... Oh my god. How do we do this? I need to find a widget that corresponds to my rank, right? So based on the rank, based on the rank. So let's add a new event and let's call it setup rank. And setup rank just need to have the rank ID. I know you've seen it already, but it was in another place. And the rank name. Okay. And then this will switch. Can we switch negative? No, huh? Yes, we can. Wow. I can say -1, -3. Wow, this is too good. Nice. Okay. I don't know if I can do it, but I don't know if I can do it now, but set text, no? There is no set text in WD rank. There is no set text because this is also get text something. Bah. Wait a second. There is a WD faction rank name. Okay, WD faction rank name as a TXT rank name. Yes, I want to get that one. Get rank name. Yes. Okay, so we need to do this 1,000,000 times, okay? Well, actually 11. We need to do this 11 times. We need to do this 11 times. For -3. For -2. For -1. For... Okay. Okay, I will stop. I will stop being stupid, okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. The 0 doesn't exist in our... this will be a nice spaghetti graph. One of the best spaghetti graph you ever seen is, it will be here in a second. Look at all this spaghetti thing is going around. Look, isn't this beautiful? Isn't this beautiful? We are only putting the rank in the right place. We are doing nothing else. I mean, it's nothing special, but it feels a bit special to me. No, I mean, it's just putting the rank where it should be, right? Just putting the rank where it should be. Just trying to make the graph not too bad, but it will definitely look bad. Also because I messed up the order completely, but fine. Look at this nice spaghetti monster, look. Angel Air? Yeah, maybe. It would be nice if spaghetti is Angel Air, but yeah. Okay, so we did this nice thingy. So now, if we give a number, it goes into the right place. Okay, it goes into the right place in the structure. So we can just yeah, we can just avoid all of this. It's totally useless. Now that I did it that way, it's completely useless. And we can just do so we need to get our faction panel thingy, right, which is this one. And for this one we need to do what we said, setup rank. Yeah, setup rank. Okay, and we need to give the rank number and the rank name. Okay, nothing else. So you see, it's very simplified. It's very, very simplified. So we do this, 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 this, this. Okay, nice. Okay, we can see if this one works. I don't know, maybe I think we should do something. Now the only problem is that we don't manage the click, so I think we don't manage. No, maybe we do. Maybe we do. Maybe we manage the click. I don't know. I have no idea. Let's test. Let's see what it does. I have no idea. Why there is always a crashing thingy? What is crashing? And then I need to go. Then I need ready to go. But I think we did a piece anyway. Maybe a small piece, but we are still using the production server, so it's taking a bit. It's taking a bit to load in. Param pam pam. Come on, why so slow? Okay. Is the server up even or not? Server is up, but it's not doing anything. Come on! Oh my god, why so annoying? He started now. It took him like 2 minutes. Okay. Fine. He must be tired. Okay, so if we go in our window. Not exactly what I was expecting. So we are not calling, it seems that we are not calling the initialization. And we have this thing that is on top of us, which is annoying. But it seems that we are not calling, it seems that this is not getting executed. Because if it was executed, let me try to search clicked and score. Clicked, yeah, actually we execute that. So why?
Little miscalculation there.
A little miscalculation. We did something. We did something bad. Strange though, because very strange. Because actually we are going through that. We are going through that. So we are executing this code. We are executing this code. Faction ranks panel. I don't understand why we are not setting the text. Because I think we are. I think we are setting the text. But for some reason it's not showing up. Let me be sure that I saved all, recompiled all, because it seems that there is a bit of a, yeah, a bit of a miscalculation, but also a bit of a mess. I mean, a bit of everything. Because we are going through that. We see the print. So the print is saying if your rank is unless all the ranks are 0, because actually we have the 0, eh? We have the 0 that is not mapped to anything, but I don't think so. I don't think that the rank will be 0. Do you think the rank is 0? Ah, wait, the rank is no, the rank is correct. The score may be 60 or 70, but the rank should be the rank. The rank should be 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know. I'm a bit surprised. He's not updating shit. He's not updating it. I mean, why? I don't understand. And the other problem is that if the text is longer, this thing moves down, which is kind of annoying. I think I need a scroll box around this. Yeah, I think we need a scroll box around that. But it's very, very strange because it's actually, I think this thing is not updating. I think it's happening the same thing that is happening in the editor, that component for some reason is not updating. Is it possible that a component is not updating? Like it's not real time. I mean, I can print. Let's print here the. Let's print here the rank and the name, but I'm pretty sure it's correct. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe not. Let's see. We will say rank ID, and then we print this, and then we say space, and we say the name. Okay. And we try again. I mean, the name I connected, so I don't know. Maybe the name is empty. No, but if the name was empty, we will see no text. So I don't understand. Hello, Raonix. Hi. I'm about to go offline, I think, but I still want to do a test because I want to see at least something working, you know? At least a piece. I don't want to see all working, but at least a piece, yes. At least a piece. Okay. Drum roll. Drum roll. Fuck. Okay, it's not updating here. Let me see the log, huh? Let me see the log. Because we are printing that now, huh? Ah, we are not. Ah, wait. We have not? Oh my god, we don't go. I did something stupid then. I did something very, very stupid. I mean, we are not calling this? What do you mean we are not calling this? No, it's impossible. We called it. We see add positive faction rank, right? We see this. Wait. I'm going crazy, boys. We see this printout, adding positive faction rank, right? So it means that we went through this, right? I mean, there's no way we don't go through this. And this as a printout, as the first thing that it does. What the hell is going on? And he has rank ID. I think I'm too tired and I'm not seeing something, but it seems to be very weird. Am I server side? Wait a second. No, I'm client side. I'm client side. It's impossible that I'm server side. No, I'm client side, 100%. What is going on? Tala stream on YouTube. Perhaps YouTube will leave. Offline, don't leave me. Oh, I have like at least a minute stream delay. Yes, you have a. If you are on no, if you are on YouTube, you have more delay. If you're on YouTube, you have like 25 seconds or so. If you are on Twitch, you have like 10. No, guys, I really don't understand why this thing is not getting called. I don't know. I'm in shock. I'm in shock. What the fuck? What happened? What is going on? You know what? I think I know what is happening. And I will tell you. And I will tell you right now. And you will be surprised. And you will be surprised. You know when I decided to rename this thing with lowercase, uppercase, and we saw that the editor went crazy for a second and he changed the name, and we saw two of them. We saw two of them in the browser. I think that this guy is confusing Wait, because I have an idea. I'm not 100% sure, but I have an idea. WD faction rank name is under widgets, huh? Ah, you see? He's uppercase here. And I think this stupid thing is not finding it, so it's not doing anything on it. Or something like that. I think there is some fuck up on this name. The problem is, how can I fix it? I can just rename it completely, maybe to name 2. So he has to change everything, including.
Sounds like a plan.
I think we broke it, boys. I think we broke it. I think we broke it. That uppercase, lowercase rename. GG. GG is broken. It's broken, it's broken, it's broken. It's completely stuck. He will never come back. Well, maybe he will. They added kind of a protection mechanism now to the editor in the newer version that he basically gives you this stack, but then somehow he managed to regain control. But it doesn't happen all the time, but sometimes it does. Yeah, but that's the issue, huh? That's the issue. 100% that's the issue. Oh my god, come on! Leave! You know what? I think I will rename it lowercase. I think I will rename it lowercase if I can. And we will see what the editor does. But I think that's the fuck up. And I think that's why it was also not updating in the UI, in the editor. No, wait. Let me launch the editor first. Yeah, sometimes you get behind. I mean, it's if you are lagging a bit on your side, I think that Twitch is just sending you the previous thingy. And the same on YouTube. But on YouTube there is a go live button at the bottom. You can click go live and you go at the latest. On Twitch there is no go live. You have to pause and play. Pausing and playing is the only way. Okay, let's see if we can open this thing anymore, because I don't know, I think it really fucked up. Okay, so here we see our guy. Now, is the faction bar name 2? No, it's a faction rank name. Okay, so name 2 seems to be gone. Okay. Okay, let's try now with the lowercase. I think that the _2 we don't need it, but before deleting it, let me just see if it works. Ah, it's too late. I need to go. But I want to do this test one time. I want to see that the freaking. I'm not asking much. I'm just asking the editor not to go crazy. That's the only thing I'm asking. for the editor not to go crazy. So there was an asset with a name, and I renamed it with an uppercase, and everything went crazy from that point. Believe it or not. Believe it or not. Same result. Okay, fuck. It's not that. At least we get the printout or not? We don't get the printout. We don't get the printout. I don't know what is going on. I mean, it's stupid. This thing is stupid. I mean, we get this printout here. We get clicked blah 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 score. I can show you. No, we don't. Ah! No, wait, we are on the server side. We are on the server side. Wait. Okay, we get clicked. Say, clicked order of the key edge. Then we get this number, which I don't know what it is. 5070. What is this 5070? It cannot be our printout, because our printout is... Where is that 5070 coming from? What? 5070. Are you crazy? What? Oh my god. I don't know, boys. I will sort it out, okay? I will sort it out. There is something very, very strange happening. I think it's still executing the old code. Win skill factions 1. Win skill faction 1. Win skill faction 1. What do you mean? Win skill. Win skill faction 1. Ah, okay, the name of the thing is win skill faction 1, but which is okay, but it points to my win skill faction, which is this one. So I have no idea. Is there another place where we have this? Maybe there is a wait. Maybe there is another place where we have this, you know? Maybe there is. Maybe it's my mistake. Fuck, I created a new function and I'm not calling it. I'm calling the other one. No. No. Okay. 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 I also had the space, you see? There was the space here waiting for the function to be added. And I didn't. And we have the same
Everything will be fine. Don't worry.
We have the same printout, you know, on both. Fuck, I cannot believe it. It was my mistake as usual. But it's okay. At least we found out why. And so now we can do the last test. The last. What's the problem if you're working when it's late? What's the problem if you're working when it's late? I know, I mean, there's a lot of problems. What do you mean? I mean, that statement is a problem in itself, you know? In your statement, you have a problem in working late. Hello, Pierre Machine. Hi. We are trying to see a printout. This is what we are trying to see, some text printed on the screen. This is what we are trying to do, but is resisting. Is trying not to do it. Champion, disciple. What about this one? What about this one? Okay, so now we just need to put the question marks, you know, on all the others. And yeah, we just need to clear up basically everything except the one that we have selected, that we are entering. But I think it's good. At least we see that. Okay, so now it's kind of working. Okay, it's kind of working. Then we will clean up this part, which now is a mess. But at least we have this. We have the text. We have the levels. Then we need to color the bar, but that's easy because this bar you can just give him a number and he goes where he wants to go. So where he needs to go. So okay, we will do it tomorrow. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. And if you like what you see, you could, for example, click on follow on Twitch, or you can click on subscribe on YouTube, or you could go to patreon.com/planeshift and offer me a coffee or a beer, you know, for 1 month. And if you do it, you get access to the alpha, you get access to the videos, you know, I mean, you feel better. If not, I mean, it's the same. We are going to make this game anyway. Okay? I don't know what I'm clicking. I'm clicking random. Good night. Good night, boys and girls. Bye-bye.